So in this video, we're going to talk about Lululemon, and they were recently downgraded by a Wall Street analyst by the name of Raymond James on slowing U.S. growth. Now, let's zoom out to the monthly chart, and you can see that this leg down, price formed a monthly sell level at $468. You can see this recent leg up, which started at about $250, failed to take out this pivot high, which meant that the sellers were still in control, which means that price can now fall below what was resistance is now support. So the sellers are in control. Other reasons why they're in control, well, price closed below this weekly buy level. And if we go to the daily chart, you can also see that price closed below and took out daily buyers at about $345. Now, before we continue with the analysis, let's actually get into the news. So Raymond James downgraded Lululemon to market perform from outperform on lower U.S. growth despite efforts to accelerate innovation. There are concerns over weaker U.S. traffic, which led to disappointing guidance for fiscal 2025. Now, U.S. growth is expected to be modest in North America, contributing about majority of sales, around 75% of total revenue, limiting overall growth. Now, despite favorable initial reads from recent product launches, the U.S. remains challenged and is the only planned to grow modestly in 2025, Raymond James says. Raymond James also noted Lululemon's recent product missteps and expects only limited improvement. On a good note, China grew 46% in Q4, outperforming expectations. The company plans to open 40 to 45 new stores globally with a focus on China and increasing the square footage of each store by 10%. All right. Worth also noting, the firm also noted that while new products could outperform expectations, the U.S. market's impact on the overall narrative remains a key risk. All right, so let's do some reconstruction on the charts. Again, starting with the monthly chart, I'm going to take off this weekly and daily buy level, remove that up arrow. Again, this is the level that buyers are going to defend one last time. Potentially one last time. At $250. All right, obviously the momentum is to the downside at the moment. Nested within this resistance support, you do have this drop in price, two basic candles in the rally out. That becomes monthly buyers, so that's good news. Scrolling down to the weekly chart, you do now have a drop, two basic candles, and then a drop, which is weekly sellers, which is nested in between monthly sellers and monthly buyers. All right, let's scroll down to the daily chart. Price is now oversold, so we could see a bounce. However, this 200-day moving average in yellow could serve as dynamic resistance. So how low can price go? Well, the liquidity is in this 220 to 260 range. So the charts are suggesting look for price to move lower, but look for buyers to step in this monthly buy level with a target set at that weekly sellers level at $365. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please like the video.